Good morning. My chance today to try out my little pancake egg mold that I bought. I arrived a few days ago and I haven't tried it out yet. So as you can see, I've got a pan, but I haven't got a big enough non-stick pan. I have to invest in one of those. And my non-stick pancake mold. So because it's not non-stick, I sprayed a little oil in the bottom of the pan. And we'll go from there, see how it goes. Okay, so the oil I've used is the Fry Light, and let's have a go at cooking these eggs. So into the pan with the mold, and you just crack the eggs into each mold. One. Just going to do the 4 this time. That's the 4 eggs cooking away. Yeah, so you seem to be cooking nicely there. No moving them about, just let them cook a little. You can see they get in there, taking a little longer than I thought. I can't flip them over now until the top of the egg sets. Okay, so they're looking ready to flip over. This could work or could be a total disaster. This could be scrambled egg. Total disaster. Yes, it really needs to be a non-stick pan. Oh well, make another one next time.